Hi, this is John, and welcome to AI for Everyday Use. I got tired of rewriting the same lengthy prompt every time I used AI. I bet you do too. Same context, same roles, over and over. So I changed just one thing. Let me show you. One thing I changed is I set up a project. So here's the old way. All this every time. With a project, define, and this is all I need to type. And look at the results I get. Pretty quick, huh? So what the heck's a project? Think of it like walking into your own kitchen, garage, or garden instead of a random conference room. Everything you need is already there. Now I'm not going to walk you through all of this, and I'll put the full setup in the notes or comments section here on the video. But this is where I store everything, the context, just once. What I want to do, how I want it formatted, and any other preferences I care about. Now when I ask it something simple, boom, it's a great answer. It already knows what I care about. The context is already there. So this is what actually changed it for me. Before this, I was rebuilding the same context every time. Not hard, just repetitive. Using project really helps when you're working off the same context. You don't have to rebuild anything. Shorter prompts, faster answers. Let me show you one I use all the time, my Apple Expert project. What you're seeing here are the project instructions. This is where I set the baseline just once, how I want answers structured, what kind of detail I'm looking for. I'll put the full instructions in the description if you want to use them. Now instead of rebuilding context every time, I just asked a simple question. And this is what comes back. Same idea, everything it needs is already there. I'm not starting from scratch anymore. Quick, simple, easy results. One reason this worked is I wasn't starting from scratch. The context carried forward, which made it much easier and way more productive than Googling. If you're working off the same context over and over, set this up once. Stop rebuilding it every time. So until next time, take care.